We need to talk.
Talk.
Why did you go over my head?
I needed Commander Riggs's Yankee White file, and I didn't want to waste time.
Did you get it?
Not yet.
The next time you need something from the Secret Service, ask me. I'm the agent on this case.
Who authorized you giving me this?
No damn well who you called it.
And he could have given it to me without his authorization?
What's your point?
Is that a no?
How would you feel if I went to your boss and asked for an autopsy report?
I'm used. He'd tell you to ask me.
You wouldn't need his permission
Nope.
for anything?
Only to go to the bathroom.
Does it look like I'm laughing?
I thought it was kind of funny.
Would you have gone over the head of a male agent?
When it comes to cutting the red tape, I'm an equal opportunity offender.
I have my doubts. So know this. I got my jock strap a long time ago, Gibbs, and you do not want to get into a pissing contest with me.